1. 1969 Ford F-100 Explorer, $5,500, Wimberley, Texas. This 1969 Ford F-100 Explorer offers vintage pickup charm with rugged functionality. Priced at $5,500, it features a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The truck is finished in its original orange paint and retains a long bed, enhancing its utility. It comes with new tires and numerous replaced parts, although it needs brake work. With 46,200 miles showing and a clean Texas title, it's a solid candidate for a light restoration or daily vintage workhorse. Two. 1977 Ford F-150 Trailer Special, $3,000, Poulsbo, Washington. Offered at $3,000. This 1977 Ford F-150 Trailer Special is a true classic designed for hauling bed campers, complete with extra battery wiring and an electric trailer hookup. The 8-cylinder engine runs well and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly. Though the odometer has rolled over and the AC is incomplete, it's roadworthy and includes extras like a power steering pump and original radio. A great utility truck with retro style. $1963 GMC 1000 to $5,000, Hayward, California. This half-ton 1963 GMC 1000 is powered by the rare 305 cubic inch V6 and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny low gear. Listed at $5,000, it runs and drives but requires brake work. The odometer is broken, and it's being sold with a clean California title and current registration. This early GMC pickup is an uncommon sight and an ideal platform for a restoration or patina-style cruiser. Four 1968 GMC truck, $6,500, Timnath, Colorado. A strong contender in the classic truck market, this 1968 GMC features a reliable 350 small block V8 engine, good carburetor, and automatic transmission. With only 15,000 miles on the odometer, this rear-wheel drive truck runs well and shows minor body flaws. The clean Colorado title and solid mechanical condition make the $6,500 asking price fair for collectors or weekend cruisers. Five 1965 Ford F-100, $1,600, Sunland, California. Offered at $6,300, this 1965 Ford F-100 has been in the same hands for 30 years. It's powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 from 1972, mated to a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Updates include a rebuilt transmission, newer suspension, and a fresh clutch. While the gauges need rewiring, the truck drives well. With its clean title and long ownership history, it's a vintage Ford worth preserving. Six, 1965 Ford Rancherro, $1,500, Carpinteria, California. This rare 1965 Ford Rancherro is a project at $1,500. It runs with a 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, though the title is missing and the condition is salvage grade. The body is fairly straight with minor rust, and the motor is reportedly good. Ideal for a patient restorer or someone looking to save a unique piece of Ford's car truck legacy. 7. 1970 Chevrolet C10, $6,500. Dunlap, Iowa. A solid deal at $6,500, this 1970 Chevrolet C10 features a 350 ZZ4 crate engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The truck comes with all-new brakes and radiator, though rust is present. A bonus parts truck is included. The ZZ4 engine is a high-performance crate motor, making this C10 an excellent foundation for a resto mod or weekend cruiser. 8. 1969 GMC Longhorn, $8,500, Shelton, Washington. At $8,500, this 1969 GMC Longhorn is a rare extended bed, 8.5-foot, 3/4-ton pickup. Equipped with a 350 V8 and 400 turbo automatic transmission, it features power steering and brakes. With a clean title and excellent condition, this truck is ideal for collectors looking for utility with vintage appeal. A true workhorse from GMC's golden years. Nine. 1975 Chevrolet C20, $8,500, Yuba City, California. This 1975 Chevrolet C20 comes equipped with its original 454 cubic inch V8 engine. Though showing some age, it runs strong and includes numerous new parts. At $8,500, it's a fair price for a big block pickup with classic appeal and a clean California title. Great for vintage haulers or classic truck enthusiasts. Tasher 10, 1978 Dodge Ram Flatbed, $3,500, Fairfield, California. $3,500. This one-ton 1978 Dodge Ram features a diamond-plated 10-foot flatbed and dual rear wheels. It's powered by a 360 V8 and automatic transmission with 84,000 miles. Currently non-operational and in need of a tune-up, it's a rugged project truck with excellent utility potential once restored. $11. 1978 Dodge D200 Custom, $3,500, Salt Lake City, Utah. This vintage Dodge D200 Custom is offered at $3,500. It features a 318 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and classic rear-wheel drive configuration. The truck runs strong but needs a new fuel pump. With a clean Utah title, original interior, and solid bones, it's an ideal base for a restoration or weekend hauler. 12. 1975 Chevrolet K10, $10,000, Reno, Nevada. A serious 4x4 classic, this 1975 Chevrolet K10 features a 350 V8, automatic transmission, new tires, worn locking hubs, and a camper shell. With just 11,800 miles on the new engine, it's ready for off-road duty or weekend getaways. Some rust is present, but it's a well-maintained vintage four-wheel drive priced at $10,000. 13. 1976 Ford F-150, 7,500s, Lakewood, Colorado. Offered at $7,500, this 1976 Ford F-150 Custom Cab features a 360 V8 engine, new process 435 manual transmission, and power brakes and steering. It retains its original copper metallic paint and boasts a 9-inch rear differential. Mechanically solid and visually honest, it's a straightforward classic truck perfect for restoration or rugged driving. $14. 1997 Ford Ranger, $500, Arnold, Missouri. A budget project or parts truck, this 1997 Ford Ranger is priced at just $500. It has 270,000 miles and a 4-cylinder engine with manual transmission. The truck was running when parked a year ago and includes many new parts like tires, brakes, and radiator. The battery is dead, but can be jump-started. Great for someone looking for an ultra-cheap fixer-upper or dependable parts donor.